Hello bonsai lovers! Today I want to show you my bihoo maple in its winter dress and at the same time see the raffia effect on the trunk after 5 months. As you can see, the tree has completely lost its leaves, showing its beautiful trunk with its branches. The peculiarity of this plant is the apricot yellow color, which differs it from most maples. This color is shown off in the first years of life of the branches, before they lignify. In general, it takes 4-5 years before this happens. Since the plant is still young, this nice color is also present in the trunk. When the plant becomes adult, this color will be present only on the young branches. If you have seen my video on how to create formal or informal upright style with the use of raffia, you can understand why the plant is tied in this way. The purpose of this video is also to show you as after almost 5 months in which the plant has been tied in this way, it doesn't show any raffia signs, as the raffia gradually flakes without affecting the plant. This method is very useful, especially for those plants such as maples. Don't tolerate the use of the classic bonsai wire very much. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you are curious to know more information about the plant, you can find the link in the description of this video. If, on the other hand, you want more information on this method I use, I refer you to the link that you always find in the description. The video ends here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my channel with your friends, and like the video to support me. Thank you. Bye!